Hey guys, this is Raju here, and today we are having a look at Nokia Lumia 1020, the latest Windows Phone 8 flagship from Nokia. As you can see, it has the same candy bar design like the previous versions, like 920 and 925, but it comes with this stupendous 41 megapixel sensor with xenon flash and LED flash for video recording. So just to talk about the specs, it runs the latest Windows Phone 8 and operating system, and has 4.5 inch AMOLED display, and comes with clear black technology as well. So other than the display, the other important thing is with regards to the processor. It runs a Snapdragon dual-core S4 processor and clocked at 1.5 GHz. Also, it has 2 GB of RAM. So that's something which we are seeing for the first time on a Windows Phone 8 device. Now, coming to the hardware parts of it, it has a volume locker key on the right hand side, along with the sleep power button and a dedicated camera key. On the top, it has a 3.5mm jack and a microphone, along with the micro SIM slot. Now at the bottom, it has a micro USB charging cable, charging slot, and the stereo speakers. And the good thing about this particular phone is it has a mic along with the speaker over here, which aids in stereo recording. So that is something which we had liked in Nokia 808 PureView, and that is something which we are seeing in this device as well. So the major USP of this device is with the 41 megapixel sensor, and as you can see, it has a slight bulge at the back, so might feel a little odd to hold it when you are holding it in the normal way. So, but other than that, the back is very similar to what we had seen in Lumia 928, but less glossier than what we had seen on 920. So coming to the camera, it comes with the Nokia ProCam, which is a brand new camera UI we are seeing the first time, and it lets you control the intrinsic details like the white balance, the ISO, the exposure. So stuff like this, you can those who are actually looking to get a little professional photos out of this, if they can go ahead and change the things, or just reset and get the auto version as well. So this is a very good enhancement which we are seeing in terms of the camera UI, and this will be coming to the other Lumia phones as well, along with the Windows Phone 8 Amber update. So in addition to this, it comes with the good old here maps, here navigation, and other Nokia specific services. So nothing much in terms of the differentiation over there. So all the good points, or say the major feature, is with regards to the 41 megapixel PureView camera at the back, which has 6 lenses stacked on top of each other to provide very good images, which you can take a look once we get our hands on over the phone. Right now we are not allowed to transfer the images over there to have a look, but you can get an idea like how good the final result will be. Like, this is one of the photos we just took a while back. As you can see, the amount of details, the amount of zoom you can do on a phone, it's mind-blowing really. So this is about Lumia 1020. We will once we get our hands on this, we will do a much detailed review, and so till that, goodbye, thank you.